The blend feature basically allows you to try a bunch of different color combinations on your design. To do that, you'll simply hover over all these different designs and you'll be able to see the different color combinations on your design. Once you hover over any color combination, you'll see their live preview onto the canvas. And once you have selected or you like any specific color combination, simply click on it and those changes will be made final. You can choose from our default colors, or you could also use your own blend colors by adding them over here. Once you select that, you'll see that you'll have option to add 4 different colors. The first color is for your background. So this will be your background color which you have to add. Then we have the color for your big text. So any text which has a certain proportion or is bigger in size will be able to use that color. For small text, it is basically for small text or subheadings for which you would like to have a different color. And then for shapes, so any element or any shape which you add, they'll be able to have this particular color. So with this, you could add your own branding colors. These 4 different colors could be your branding colors, and once you have done that, you could save them. And once that is done, you'll see that your blend colors have been added, and you could see the live preview for all your blends. And any particular blend which you like, you could simply click on it and the changes will be made final. And if you would like to remove any blend color, you could simply click on remove blend and that color combination will be deleted.